Okay, so just taking a live trade on the Dow. Small risk, only 1% of the bank. Reason being, we're in an obvious downtrend. We're down 2.3% on the day, which is a huge downturn. A big gap still, which I think is now gone on the hourly and or the daily time frames. We are at the bottom of this previously drawn support zone. On the 5-minute chart, you can see we've come across, we've stuck that ever so slightly around these levels. Hoping for, like I said, small trade. We'll be looking to protect the bank soon, hoping to hopefully push up to this level. We'll be protecting the bank if possible. And then we're looking for, we're looking for a pullback up to these levels, which will still keep us within the this down channel that seems to have formed. Probably just a slight breakup, but this general 4-to-1 return we're looking for. So yeah, live trade, big downturn. It seems a big fall with no pullback whatsoever, but time will tell. So let's see what happens. Just for my own reference, it's worth pointing out the calculator was used. We only want to risk 1%. Stop loss I wanted to be just below this range, gives us a little bit of breathing space if it doesn't quite go right initially. That price range 25299 could probably be pushed a bit lower, but yeah, that'll suffice. I don't want to take huge losses on this. So yeah, the 1 in 4 return was calculated, where we get our target from. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, so we're pushing down now, as we can see, to the previous low. And you watch it go charging south, yeah, just as we're talking. So this is going a lot lower, but we'll see how this plays out. Pushing for a new lower low, which is never great in this scenario. But time will tell. Let's see what happens. Okay, so as we can see, the trade is still live, barely by the skin of its teeth. We've got lows of 5302. We've now pushed back up a little bit to the top of this range. Feel a little bit uncomfortable with this trade after the further push south, but feels like now we've got a bit of a surgence on. So as I've mentioned previously, I'm going to move the bank to break even, just to ensure that we don't lose anything. And then we'll see if we gain anything higher, but I suspect we'll end up falling down even if we do push higher, simply because this is hopefully a new low and will potentially create a higher high. That is the first sign here. The break above here. Granted, this is on the minute chart. We should really be looking at the 5-minute chart. But yeah, I suspect, as you can see, this downward trend is gonna hold. But yeah, we could have left it just below, but I'm kind of expecting these levels to hold originally. These 2 points, which is where we were looking for, did break down. But yeah, we'll see where we go with this one. So as you can see, the trade's literally just closed out at break even for a 0-point loss. Did make, the trade was around here somewhere. Sorry, it was around here. We did push up initially. I think we were about, what was it? Just over 100 £100 in profit. But as you can see, we protected the bank, which is what we were always keen to do, and it's returned back down on this trajectory. Touch of the 20-day moving average, and it's continued south. So again, the trend is very much there. It'll be interesting to see if this level holds. Second, as a second attempt. But for now, trade's closed for a 0 points loss.